are these guys? Oh my god, they're next to each other. Wow, I'm way late for this interaction. Which probably won't be an interaction. Oh shit. Oh no! Oh, I fucking hate common interactions. I hate coming to interactions this late. Ugh. I saw it, but I didn't think it would be anything. Alright, well, let's check out another one. Hogtie, I forget his previous name. Jort lives here. Hogtie does not. Oh wow, that snow interaction that I just saw, which had no actual lead up. There's a duo that's at Bunker 2. One of them got a kill. There's another guy that just entered the walking path. And there's another guy that looks like he's attempting to drive up. So it looks like the walking path guy and the drive up guy. Let me see who the drive up guy is. Alright, so the drive up guy, which may be a duo, they know how to drive up. So they're almost certainly going to encounter the walking path person. We'll see how that plays out. Jort, as well as, where's the other guy? Hogtie, look like they know somebody's here. Or at least Hogtie did. Well, we got time, so I am going to check out if the duo, if it is a duo, first off, and second off, if they are trying to drive up. So let's go ahead and TP over there. It's a duo. The names are overlapping. Oh, fuck. It's Backstreetb and Injexus. Turn your wheels to the right. Hard right. Alright, so they are coming up the mountain, like I thought. Ooh, this will be a fun story. If they can get up without fucking this up, which it is very easy to fuck this up. And this is not the hard part. They got 4 loops to do before they're free and clear. Before they start making time. 3 loops. Wait, is that too far away to see them? No. Do I have my tools on the way that they're supposed to be? 1,000 meters. Oh, I guess that's too far. You only got one more loop. So this is going to be a long form. But anybody that's actually done this this trek knows that this is probably going to be the shortest form of the long form trek. Is that really that far? 600 meters? Okay. Oh yeah, it's 1,300 meters away. That'll schmappen. Alright, so they should be good. Now these guys have done the drive a number of times, so they know kind of how to get over this area. You can imagine how easy you can screw this up. Now, I think they're going to screw this up, even though they've done this before. Not now, but as soon as the roads get bumpy, and there's some dangerous areas for sure. We are going to watch it. Now, where my character is, Tomato King, is about 1/4 of the way to the guy on the walking path. So they better chill right here, because for whatever reason, this wrecks cars. So I think they know. I think they've been here before, but we'll see. Yep, they drove around it because they know. Well, at this point, I can't teleport in front of them, because if I do, I'm going to spawn in zombies, and they're going to think that a player spawned them in, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to wait for them. I'm going to watch this whole show. Okay, they probably know, since they drove this before, that this is going to be pretty easy to drive for now. However, it's coming. Engagement is coming. It's been a long time since I've seen a car full of people euthanized. I would love to see it. I like these guys, but I would love to see their demise. I'm always for the underdog, and these guys are not the underdog. What happened there? Damn, I want them to... So, they are within 300 meters. They are spawning them in. Not me. I'm 455 meters. The range is 300. This might take a while. I mean, they're being cautious, which a lot of people are not cautious. At least when it comes up to here, to this snow area. I want to see what happens here. I love the Bakir. Now I would hope that maybe Backstreet is like, all right, you get the car. And I'll overwatch. Oh shit. My character's too far away. Yeah, I think that's what they're doing. Really, Injexus. this is their old base. Oh shit, it's still a base. How did this not get raided yet? I chalked this off. Well, I can't look at their barrels. Well, they left, so I can look at this stuff without any problems. Okay, so they're not super close to the next guy. About 1,500 meters away. About 1,000 meters if there wasn't a canyon involved. What do these guys got? DMR. He loves the DMR. And a Vakir, close range. Something gillied. I don't know what those guns are. So they abandoned the car. They're like, nah. Guy just joined the server. Died of ligma. Alright, these guys are making some pretty fast progress. This is literally the most southwest corner. Oh, you know what? I want to see my admin tent. I'll worry about it later. So they're bypassing the Zeds, which there's a lot of Zeds here. Could be coincidence, but I don't think it's coincidence. I think because they've been here so many times that they know. $600 meters. So I lost them because I'm 1,000 meters away, but I'm going to pick them up here in a sec. There you go. Damn. They are, I want to say, 2,300 meters from this other guy, which they might catch him at the choke point because there's a heli there. We'll see that. Now, they don't have a chance of meeting a player for probably another 5 minutes. So you can skip if you want. They are definitely gaining on the other guy. Definitely gaining. About ready to see the other guy in the same view. Eventually, this is going to be duo versus duo, assuming that they take this solo that's in the way, which I think is the case. They're being cautious. Both of them have killed and died up here. Now, the biggest badges of honor up here are green and black plate armor. He looks like he has green. looks like he has black. So my guess is, I can't be sure, but that's what it looks like. So either they want extras or they want the smoke. The other guy is at the heli, which I can't see yet. So we're going to see them pop into frame here kind of soon. About 1050 away. $30 seconds or less. There they are. 10:34. All right, so we're approaching 2,000 meters away from the next enemy, which the next enemy is busy with a heli right now, which we are going to see very soon. Damn, we are just outside of range of the heli guy. Alright, so we're going to teleport. We're going to lose these guys. We didn't lose them. Alright, we're going to pick up the next guy. Interesting, we did not pick him up. The old guys we lost, but these guys... So we're going to pick up the old guys here real soon. 30 seconds or less. All right, we'll get a little closer. Okay, so we picked them back up, the old guys, which are moving. So I'm going to lose these guys. I lost one of them. The other one's coming back. So, okay, so I'm going to go on mute and kind of watch this unfold. Just preparing some food, but I'll be here. I just won't be talking. I'm going to wait until both are in the same perspective. If these guys keep moving. Okay, so 10, 10, 7. They're so close, dude. Oh, there's the heli. Ooh, bunch of dead Zeds. What did he leave behind? What did the other guy that's ahead of them leave behind? Boots, boots. Skilly Shrug. Garbage. FX, which I love. Ooh, Vega Drummy. 30 round AUR mag, which is needed because you're about ready to get AURs. Sweater. Which, for anybody that knows, there is a ninja set that there are certain clothing items that don't make any noise. The sweater is one of them. So, weapons on your back make noise. Wait. Doodles. Oh, it's doodles. Okay. Alright, well, the other team is moving. Alright, I'll be right back. Whoa, these guys made a lot of progress. Oh shit. The duo is coming towards the solo. Which their shots are surely going to be heard by the duo coming towards these guys. So the duo that was... So everybody heard that. All five heard that. It's too close. S-Valve, VSS. I still don't know the difference. But he intentionally fired his long range without a bottle suppressor because it has a bottle suppressor on it now. All right, Doodles, let's see what you got. Doing some weird aiming, but hey, man. Every player to their own. You were looking right at them. Your head is facing right at them. You're aiming at them. You cannot see them. Which I could be wrong in this, but... I mean, sure, you're checking out tree lines, but you're in open ground. Neither of you can see him because he's behind a mountain. I mean, every investigation starts with a conspiracy, sure, but if Doodles gets a kill, this guy threw a mountain. This guy threw a mountain. Then the story is over. Not to mention, we've got the backup team behind us. Not sure why they're not showing up. Now, Doodles seems to know exactly where they are. Like he's flanking hard around. a good rifle. So Doodles is off on his own. Fuel and Freaky on the left are a duo. Backstreet and Injexus are a duo. Okay. Backstreet on backup. Injexus on primary. On this other duo. Fuel on primary looking backwards though. Freaky running back. Injexus and Backstreet making the push. Well, I don't want to call it a push because we don't have reason to. meters to fuel. Oh shit, has to pop off. There's like no way it can't. 250. Freaky is 260 meters away from his duo fuel. They are looking the other direction. But they are going to hear this duo. Fuel's going to hear this duo and call it into his buddy. $150 meters. Here comes. He sees him now. He's calling into his buddy. Ooh. Injexus took 2 shots. He's down. Injexus is dead. Fuel is dead. 1v1. 1v1. Freaky is responding. So Doodles heard that. The guy that's way off there, he had to. DMR's loud as fuck. 230 meters. So Freaky knows that he's safe. because the sound is too far away. Freaky, please kill Backstreet. Freaky, go. Freaky, you gotta go. You heard that sound. You know it's further. There you go, dude. $150 meters. Oh, you might be able to see him. Oh, shit. Backstreet, get there. Get there. Backstreet's waking up. Get out of there. Oh, no. Freaking go. Fuck. Damn. M16 Pioneer. Pioneer's not too hot. Oh, wow, these guys are fucking loaded. Lots of 5.56. Nothing in the pot. Is the gun loaded? Yeah, kind of. He's got Pioneer mags. They're badly damaged, pristine. He's got food. Man, grenades. And a suppressor. Where's the other guy? Which I know he didn't loot very well. Or at all. DMR ruined. Oh man, the gun took a shot. M4. Fuck. Guy keeping all the good shit. Didn't even have a suppressor on it. Green plate, he just got that. He just got that. From Bunker 2. Damn, the gun could have saved him. Pants ruined. Jacket ruined. Oh man, he fucked him up. Well, I mean, it sucks, but Backstreet is going to have plenty of food and water. Oh wait, that was his boy. Yeah, that was, damn. Look at this. So let me back this up. So there's a body, there's a body. This is going to be 3 bodies. Doodles, you're worrying me. Meters away. That's Injexus. That makes sense why he's got good gear. DMR ruined. M4 is secondary. These two guys are the boys. $11 people on the server, and 6 are in the same place. 5 if you discount me. Well, that's actually not true. So, Fuel and Freaky left because they got fucked up. So it was 13. Injexus left as well, so it was 14. Still, 5 were in the same place. That's crazy, man. All right, I'm killing it there.